Hey everyone, Michelle here from Pink Pop Shapes. You're only seeing my hands today because I've got really bad hair going on. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this cute little cat resin charm using UV resin, acrylic paint, and a whole lot of glitter. So let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to be needing for this project is a little open bezel charm. I've got a cute little cat one here. Some glitter colors of your choice, some acrylic paint, and a paintbrush, and then just some really cute kind of inclusions, embellishments, your choice as well. I've got these cool little galaxy ones. Oh, and of course, UV resin or epoxy resin, whichever you usually like to use. Okay, so starting off, get some sticky tape and put the bezel charm on the sticky tape so that once you put the resin in afterwards, you can peel it off and the resin is all nice and smooth. Next, you're going to squeeze a single layer of resin into your cat charm. It's just going to be clear. And I'm gonna get my little tool here, spread it out like this. Okay, because this is UV resin, I'm going to put this under the UV light that I have because I'm super impatient and get it all nice and dry. Okay, now that the resin is dry, we can put the acrylic paint over it. So, I've got these lovely acrylic paint colors, but I think I'm just gonna use the blue and like the pebbly pinky, is that what it is? For a bit of like a galaxy kind of look. So let's open up this one. Ooh, it's metallic. Get my little brush. Gonna dip it in there. Oh, it's metallic looking. And we're gonna brush it onto the resin. And I'm gonna do the next color now, just at the bottom here. Kind of layer it, kind of blend it together. Okay, now I'm gonna let that dry. Okay, now that the acrylic paint has dried, it's time to put on another layer of resin. So we can do pretty glitters. My favorite bit, putting glitter on everything. Alright, so another layer of UV first. Once again, use my trusty tool to spread out the resin. Now, the super fun bit, adding on glitter. I'm going to use 3 different types of colored glitter. So I've got this lovely pinky purple one, white glitter, and black glitter. So starting off with the purple pinky glitter. Get a whole bunch on there and then spread it around. Next is the black glitter. Same thing again. Add it on. As much as little as you like. And spread it around. One more layer of white glitter. I love glitter, I love glitter. So pretty. Spread it around again. Now, let's put that under the UV light and let that layer dry. Okay, I'm going to do one more layer of glitter, but just a slightly different, chunkier glitter. So let's do another layer of resin. Okay, let's spread that out again. Okay, get my chunky glitter. Gonna pour it on top. Oh, thanks. Oh, alrighty. My trusty tool. Spread it around, spread it around. Because clearly some places have more than others. Spread it around, sharing is caring. Now if you like, obviously you can pour as much glitter as you like, but I think that's a good amount of glitter, good amount of sparkle going on there. Alright, let's put that under the UV light and dry that layer. Alright, now to finish it off with some super cute, adorable embellishments on the top, we're going to put one more layer of resin. Spread the resin around. Okay, and I'm going to place this cute little moon embellishment just on the side there. And then a little star embellishment. Whoa. Just there. I've also got a few little rhinestones here. I'm gonna put around maybe here, one here. Rhinestones are such a pain to get, to pick up. They're so little. And one here. There we go, and now we're gonna let that dry under the UV light. Alright, once it's dried, just peel it off from the sticky tape at the back. Okay, usually it's easier than it looks. And there you go. Turn it into a necklace or a keychain. I'll probably turn it into a keychain because I don't have any necklace chains left. There you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.